Hey guys, PhoneArena here, and this is a video sample out of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Obviously we're using the front-facing camera, 10 megapixel front camera on the S10 Plus. What's unique about this camera is that it allows you to shoot video in 4K resolution. There are very few other phones that do that. Another cool feature is that the camera supports autofocus, so if I bring my hand closer, you see how the camera instantly focuses on the closer object. Video stabilization is enabled for this video. Here's what happens if I have a bright light behind me. One more time, this was a video sample with the front-facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus.